Hi guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well. And welcome to the new viewers. Today in this tutorial, I'll show you guys that, how you people can create orange and teal effect without using Lightroom. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, go to File and open New Image. If you don't know how this image directly open in Camera Raw, then let me show you how to do this. Go to Edit and then Preferences and then Camera Raw. Here change it to automatically open all JPEGs. And change it to automatically open all TIFFs. And here select all images. Hit OK. Now when you open an image, it will automatically appear in Camera Raw. Here reduce temperature a little bit. Reduce exposure to -20. Reduce contrast to -50. Increase highlights to +10. Increase shadow to +10. Reduce whites to -10. Increase blacks to +40. Increase clarity to +10. Click on Preview to see what we done until now. Now go to Grayscale. Here increase reds by +45. Now reduce the greens to -100. Reduce aquas to -100. And reduce blues to -10. Then go to saturation. Here increase greens to +40. And increase aquas to +20. Now go to luminance. Here increase oranges to +20. Increase greens to +30. And reduce blues to -20. Now go to camera calibration. Here reduce the blue primary to -20. Hit pen image. And select the top option here. Here you can see the before and after. Now make a duplicate layer of it by dragging it to the icon or simply press Ctrl+J. Now do to filter and then others and then high pass. Make sure the radius value is 4 and hit OK. And change the blending mode to overlay. It will create some sharpness and depth. Now add gradient maps. Here select this gradient. I will show you guys the color code, you can create your own. Now change the blending mode to soft light and reduce the opacity until it looks great. Let me show you another look of this effect. Add the same gradient again. But now change the opacity to lighter color. And reduce the opacity somehow. So here is another look. But for now I will delete this one because I don't need it. Now click on levels icon and do the same. Now see the before and after. So, this is the way how you can create orange and teal effect without using Lightroom. I hope you guys like it. Peace.